Hi, welcome to Alai. I'm Anmol, and I'll be introducing you to various aspects of Alai so that you can get started super quickly. We made Alai so that you can tell your own story confidently and effectively. In this first video, we'll cover how to create a great first draft in Alai with AI, and then we'll build upon that in the subsequent slides. Let's get started. We're going to be using the example of a pitch deck for a daycare subscription service that employers can offer as a benefit to their employees who are parents. So here's the content, and we have a couple of images of the founders of the company. And now let's go to Alai and create a new presentation. On Alai, there are two ways to create slides. One can either choose from a vast library of created layouts, which you can see from clicking on the All Layouts button, and we see all the layouts here, or you can create one or more slides with AI. For this video, we're going to be creating slides with AI. So let's click here. Let's take a look at the screen. On the left-hand side, we see a way to add any input content that we want to be used to create the slides, including images. And then on the right-hand side, we have various ways to control the AI, including adding instructions, choosing the way the content is used, the amount of text, tone, etc. Finally, on the bottom right, we can control the number of slides. And for this case, we're going to be using between 6 and 10 slides. Next, we're going to go to a document and paste all the content. We're also going to be adding the images which are there in the document. For now, we have to do this manually. So we copy this image, and then we can just paste this here by pressing Command V. And then same thing for the second image. And then we'll add instructions around who the audience is. We'll choose preserve because we already have added a lot of content here, and we'll keep this as essential, and we'll use AI images for this deck. We can choose between various art styles. For now, we can keep it as artistic. Now we'll go to the next step, which is generating outlines. So we see that the outlines are going to be streamed in one by one, as they're being streamed in now. And now we see that all the outlines are available, including some AI-generated images for some slides, as we see here. This is a step where we need to get the story right. We can make any adjustments by adding new outlines or by editing any outlines, including adding images, etc. We can also reorder outlines. So for this example, I'm just going to put the team slide above the market slide. And once we feel confident about the story, we can click on Generate All Slides, which will start generating all slides. So we see that all the slides are now generating. And on Alai, we show you 4 different options for each slide when you first generate them. We now see that all slides have been generated. So let's take a look at some of the options. The slide 2, which discusses the problem. And we'll choose the option which gives us the best starting point. This is slide 3, which is discussing the solution. And it has some of the images incorporated. And so on, we'll make the best choice for each slide in the deck. In the next video, we'll start from this point and take it forward. See you there.